Okay, we're back at the animal hospital, and today we're gonna call someone. So okay, we got someone here. Okay, let's stamp his forms. Do the camera dance and I'll open the badge for you. Okay. Oh, okay. And so, okay, let's talk to him. Oh, you got room 1, huh? We all know that, like, the first 2 patients need herbs and eye drops, but what if I literally give them, give them the wrong medicine? Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna get it before her. Wait, I forgot to do this. Okay, so let's cook his skin in the microwave. Let's process the data. And, hey, I'm waiting for you. Well, see, I helped him. And that's just one of our deaths. So today, like, we're gonna kill all of them. We're gonna kill 3 patients in a row. And we've already done the first one, okay? So, we got our second patient. Let's give him my V-drops. Let's just give him. I'm clicking on. Okay. Hello, Dr. Harlow. Okay, so, let's see our shift votes. Okay, you're Dr. Harlow. I already know that. You don't have to tell me. No, don't keep looking. Close the shutters. Oh, you're testing it. Okay. Okay, you operated and we got animal deaths 1. That's what I wanted. I want to kill people. Okay, we're gonna go on shift 2. Melody is the best. Nah, I'm the best. This game is so stupid. So, why did you open the shutters? It's literally annoying. Okay, fine, I'll do it. Wait, no, I changed my mind. No. Don't open it. Why are you doing it? It's literally an anomaly. Boys, these days are so stupid. So, anyways, let's go. You know what? I'm gonna go give him the wrong treatment anyways because he's an anomaly. Wait, boy, what do you want? Hey, what do you want? What do you want? Some cough syrup and IV drops? Okay, I'm gonna give you that. Oopsie! Yeah, you were an anomaly. You were literally an anomaly. This! Why not his lesson? So, we're gonna give him medicine. We're gonna give the next patient some medicine. And if he wants medicine, I'll give him ointment. you have good posture. You're very good. Okay. Oh, and that's funny. Oh, wait. Oh, the coffee's boiling. Sorry, you ain't still getting some coffee. You ain't got some coffee. You're not even get some coffee. You're so sweet. So, then, if you're gonna kill me, I'm gonna kill you. What do you want? So a milkshake and some cough syrup? Well, no, you ain't getting there. You're gonna die. You go and murder. Okay, well, already 6 minutes in the video, so, it's time to kill one more patient and we are done with the main thing. We've, got to do another round, okay? And I will be, this other round. Oh, we got a soccer. So what I was saying, is, when this round ends, I'm gonna do another round. And this time I'm gonna be good. And I'm not gonna burn. Oh, you're doing the project. You're gonna give him coffee. Oh, you are so smart. Okay. This is my last chance to kill someone, so I've got some ointment, and if you want ointment, this is gonna down. Oh, you have good posture. Good. Also, you're a bunny. Okay, so what's he? Oh, room 4. He's not over here. Oh wait, where? Oh, you're gonna give him cough syrup? Well, I'm gonna give him ointment. So let's take his DNA sample, make some microwave, and let's analyze his sample DNA by using the Wawa. Yeah, Wawa is actually a word. It's actually an English word. If you don't believe me, just search it on Google. And oopsie, oh, why did the screen turn black? Why? What? Oh, wait, I was fired. What? Oh, I remember the place. I used to work here, but now I work at the animal hospital, but now I'm being redirected. Oh. That was a big mistake. I shouldn't have done that. Okay, so don't ask me why I checked the player list, but we have someone up here. He is definitely not an anomaly because we are literally on shift 1. Anyways, the manager told me that the manager of Animal Hospital told me that I have to complete 4 shifts to get rehired at the hospital. So he literally only wants a milkshake. You want this much flurry? Well, you forgot about the burgers, sir. About the burgers. Oh, my sanity is draining. So anyways, you want the McFlurry? Here, have it. Okay, so anyways, yeah, hey, yeah, you're welcome. Okay, so So like oh, we did amazing. Oh, that's Buddies. Remember, this is not Animal Hospital. It's like Animal Hospital, but it's not Animal Hospital. It's Buddies Diner. It's Buddies, whatever kind. Wait, are you anomaly? Let me check the security cameras. Oh, I changed my mind. I'm sorry, I will not check the security cameras. But I know you are not anomaly because of my big brain skills. So anyways, oh my god, it's a town monster. What do we give him? A batty? Oh, it's taken. Is he gonna bat it? Bat. Oh my god, it actually worked. It just batted. Was that a what scraping sound? I swear I did not do that. And in the recording, so. Anyway, let's check the cameras and. Oh. Wait. Oh, you look like Dr. Hollow, but you're pink. Are you just a copycat? Hi, I'm not a copycat. I'm sure Dr. Hollow. Me is pink. No, he's tan. No, pink. Well, you're definitely a fake Dr. Hollow, but I'm still gonna serve you because you're not an anomaly. Oh, anyways, we have Red Maroon Raffle. Everybody knows Raffle is black, not red. No, Raffle is red. No, he's black. No, red. No, black. Well, I'm still gonna serve fake Raffle. No, I'm not a fake Raffle. I'm still gonna serve the fake Raffle. Because he's not an anomaly, but anyways, I just got anyways, I did not have any Robux, so I cannot get the secret necklace. Like, what was that sound? Why did I hear Japanese? But anyways, the manager of Animal Hospital told me that to get rehired into the hospital, I have to get to shift 4, and we're very close to shift 4. We're shift 3. Why do weird sounds keep happening? Oh, another weird sound. Some Chinese, more Chinese. We got another copycat Dr. Hollow. No, I am the real Dr. Hollow. Hey, Dr. Hollow, me. No, the real Dr. Hollow is tan, not blue. First of all, I am the real Dr. Hollow. Second of all, he is not tan. He's blue, and by he it means I. Well, I'm still gonna serve you even though you're a copycat because you're not an anomaly. Oh, someone else served him. Okay, I'm gonna throw this away. Where did I? Oh my God, there's an angry customer. What I've got to do is do it quickly, okay, quickly. Okay, we saved the company. Wait. But also the Animal Corporation, yeah, recently opened this, not today, but about 10 days ago. So that restaurant is very recent. It's new. It's 10 days old. We got a pink Dr. Hollow. I'm pretty sure this is the fake Dr. Hollow, even though he's tan, because he has a blacked out face. Are you an anomaly? No, okay? Like I said, this is gonna be easy though, because it's literally 4 shifts. It isn't that long. It isn't that much shifts. Also, never mind. But we have a customer. Oh, we got a red dog over here, which is Marvel dog. I wish there was a red horse. Let's not talk about red horse, but I wanna buy the secret snacks, but I don't have even any Robux, so I can't buy them. I wish I had Robux, but oh my! We have a secret menu customer. He wants secrets about secrets of secrets, which is basically secret section. So anyways, here you go, your fries and your burger. Oh wait, I have 2 burgers now. Yeah, I forgot to throw that burger away. So, French fries and milkshake. Or maybe I'm gonna use that burger to feed the bed monster. And don't feed him a milkshake. I wanna buy the elite buy team. Oh no! You fed him a milkshake. How dare you! You've lost some of your sanity. Yeah, you're gonna abstract shoot. You're gonna teleport to the amazing cities, and you're gonna abstract. Oh, you want 2 French fries? You're definitely gonna have salt diarrhea, because there's so much salt that you're eating. Oh, it now has come to our last shift until we are behind shift 4. Yeah. I'm gonna test it, and my interview for, so yes, they probably need that, but it only gives it to the buyer. Oh, we got the real Dr. Hollow. Hello. After this shift, I will rehire you. Oh, thank you. Oh my! There's another town monster. Wait, if I give a soda, will it work? I'm looking at my energy bar, and yes, it does work. I'm back at 100%. I shouldn't have drank in there. The second sip. Oh my! Your face is cursed. You are an anomaly. You are very anomaly. So you will be yeah. I put some myths that this is where the rejected anomalies from the hospital goes. So yeah. But before there were studies, the rejected anomalies from the hospital would go home. But now they will go to the Spuddies because they have a new business. So the point we go there, they would, yeah, and actually those anomalies aren't, actually like need surgery. They're just faking it. Those patients are actually not faking it. Those patients are actually medicational needs, and those anomalies are faking their medicational. They don't actually have any diseases. So yeah, but now they go to Spuddies because they both want to get food and want to trick the medicational into thinking that there's a medicational leak. Oh my god, there's an angry customer. I didn't see that. Oh, burger, fries, and what? Ice cream. And I should throw this burger away. So let me do that real quick. I don't know why I did that later, but for time's the charm. And we got our last patient. Wait, I have a feeling that he's an anomaly. He's definitely not an anomaly, guys. Yeah, he's definitely not an anomaly. Oh, we have to see one more customer, okay. I'm gonna go AFK, even though I'm doing that right now. We're back. So let's check the cameras. Oh, you're an anomaly. You're an anomaly, and he's also AFK. So that's the perfect time to brute force this Wawa. Yeah, Wawa is a real English word. Don't believe me? Search it up on Google. It's actually real. You look good, but how about on the cameras? Wait, my character's not. So let's use a computer. And let's use a register. Take the ship. Let me see you, Mr. White Fluffy Wawa. Yeah, like I said, Wawa is a real English word. Don't believe me? Shut it up. Anyways, he wants a Spud Flurry, and that's it. You are such a finny. Not like furries, like Xdemon. Yeah, just kidding. Xdemon's not a furry. But here we go. Hamburger, ice cream. Wait, why did I do double hamburger? Oh wait, I did. Let me throw away the stuff. Boom, bam, and boop, bam. And I'm pretty sure we're done. Yeah. And whoa, I just got teleported to the animal hospital again. Did I get rehired?